Hello, we are looking at USDJPY weekend analysis. This is 2025. There's a typographical error there. It's not 229.25. No, it's 2025. Okay, we just want to analyze the markets and see and then determine the profitable direction so that we can push in our money in order to make profit. Okay, now looking at the daily chart of USDJPY, we observe that the fall that began at 157.88 extended last week. It's a corrective fall, it's a corrective movement, a corrective pattern, and it's extended last week. Now, we are looking at the market for now. It appears to be neutral. Okay, but we are able to bring to locate important levels on the chart. We're able to locate important levels on the chart, the resistance levels and the support levels. So now, based on what we have, we found that 154.33, 153.88, 156.94, 157.88, and 139.87 are all important price levels that are clear on the chart. Now, what we're going to do, we are going to buy the break of a resistance and target the next resistance, sell the break of a support and target the next support. Now, that is when we see that the outlook is in favor of, we're going to buy if the outlook is in favor of uptrend, and then we're going to sell when the outlook is favoring downtrend. Now, we are going to sell if and only if the support at 154.33 is broken, and we set our take profit at 153.58. This 153.58 is moving average support. If you look at the daily charts, the 55 exponential moving average there is currently at 153.58. So that is the support that we have right now. So we're going to sell if and only if 154.33 breaks, and then we're going to set our take profit at 153.58. Of course, the price can fall further below that price, but that is our own take profit for now. Now, on the other side, in case of a bullish movement on the upside, we will only buy as well if and only if 156.94 resistance is broken. We are only going to buy if and only if 156.94 resistance is broken. And then we're going to set our take profit at the resistance 157.88. Okay, remember 157.88 is the beginning is the beginning of the fall that continued last week. So we are looking for a retest of that price. So we are selling we are buying the break of 156.94 and then setting a take profit at 157.88. Now, if that corrective resistance at 157.88 breaks, that's the good news. More elbow to the power of the buyers. All right. And then that means the entire rally, the entire movement rise from 139.87 has resumed. And then we can further look at a retest of a key structural resistance at 158.85. But for now, we are buying the break of 156.94. with the take profit at 157.88. So that's the analysis for now. And then I think this should work in the early days of this week, Monday and Tuesday. All right. Thank you for your time. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video. And if you have your own contribution, please drop it in the comment section. Once again, thank you.